Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to show you how to load your U-Haul trailer that has a drop-in tow coupler so you're ready for your next trip or move. So to start off, we're going to go down to the coupler and we want to make sure that a release lever is down. If you find that it's up, make sure that we push it down so we're ready to attach it to our hitch ball. Now we're just going to pick it up and we're going to drop it onto our ball till it completely engulfs it. And this will lock automatically, so we're just going to make sure it locks by pulling up on it. So now we're going to move on to our cables. We're just going to release it from the trailer right there, and we're going to cross it. So we're going to take our passenger side cable and we're going to go to our driver side tow loop or attachment point on our hitch, and we're just going to take the S hook and clip it on, and then we'll repeat with our second cable. Now, a lot of our trailers will come with the emergency brake cables. If your trailer has that, we're also going to attach that as well. Now that we have everything hooked up, we're going to take our trailer wiring and we're going to plug it into our vehicle. And then last, we just need to check all of our lighting functions. We'll start with our brake, our left turn signal, our right turn signal, and then our running lights. And you're all ready for your trip.
To find out more information or to make a reservation, visit your local U-Haul store today or check us out online at uhaul.com.